We're going camping.
Call me, collect, call me anytime you need to. I'll be waiting there. If you've got a girlfriend or a boyfriend, all the
Does it at least smell good?
It smells okay.
Okay, now you just need to remember how fun it is to watch back the New Orleans video footage and how much.
It smells so good.
call me complaining, I will entertain you and tell it like it is.
It was ages, you're gonna back in just well.
Figure out
And you.
back. Oh, you know. It'll take me a second.
Scream with all my might, 'cause it's my level best.
I don't even know when to go.
Divided, call me at your lowest, I will belong to you. Call me at midnight, I could talk for hours, discussing male privilege. If you are in trouble, something illegal, call me at your side, doing my level best. If it breaks me up inside, it's my level best. Call me with bad news, tell me that you loved her. I will listen
So that
to you.
looks like you can walk.
I will catch the next flight for me.
We're gonna go find out if you can walk.
Risk it all to do my level best. I'd rather play myself.
Do you have bear spray?
No?
You know there's a grizzly on the island now, right?
Let's meet him.
If you need $1,000,000 by tomorrow, I would bang, do my level best. I'd smuggle in drugs, it's my level best. I would kill the queen, it's my level best. 1,000 bad ideas, they're my level best.
That'll really stick.
Winning. Oh, you're so
I want to like capture the major moments. Okay, so like let's be super. We're watching Netflix.
What do we take away from that? Generations of men like, no, if you just kiss them when they're sleeping, they're forever grateful. Officer.
Probably should work.
Drinking cough syrup.
It's lean.
Trying to get drunk.
Yeah. You didn't bring any alcohol for me. Oh, I can taste it already.
start?
No, it's not. But it was. You can't see it. Look. Oh, does it get lighter?
Did the rain keep you up, or do you think you just like fell asleep?
No, the rain kept me up. It was really loud.
I don't know if it was the rain, but really just the fact that I couldn't stretch.
Yeah.
I mean, I always thought I slept in the fetal position anyways, but I really don't. We're such rebels. Hi, can I get a venti chai tea latte with 7 pumps?
Was there anything else for choice?
Yeah, could I get a grande iced caramel, or I mean iced chai tea latte
For sure.
with a shot of espresso?
Awesome.
And could I have lactose-free milk in that, please?
Perfect. Anything else for choice?
No, that's all.
14:45. We'll see you here.
I feel like that would give you weird poops.